This is a demonstration of using Atom with Git. On the left here, I'm in the Atom editor. I'm going to make a change. Just ignore that error message because I don't care. Okay, so I made a change, and over here you can see that that file that's been changed, the file name is here, blah, blah, blah. That file appears in what's called the staging area. And there are 3 steps involved in working with Git. One is to stage things, and one is whatever this is called. And then there's a third one, a little bit vague. Okay, so I'm going to stage all the things. We only have one file, but I'll stage that one file. Now it's moved into this area, which again, I don't care what the name of it is, and neither should you. And I'll just say, I have to give a message, and I'll say some small change. That will be good enough, and I must commit that message. You've learned 2 words now. One is stage, one is commit. I'm going to commit the message. Before I do that, I want you to look where the where the cursor is now at this up arrow. There's nothing beside that, and you're going to see that will change when I commit. So I'm going back to commit. You see that it's got a number here. It means that this is an update which we ought to send up to the GitHub server. One there is telling us that. That's not the same as this update. This update means that Atom has an update to one of its packages. Ignore that. So I'm going to just click on this puppy, and it tells me that I can do several things, and what I want to do is push. And the number 1 means I have one thing that I've committed that I want to push. Sometimes what you do is you commit every half hour, even every paragraph, but only push maybe at noon or every once in a while. Or you could push every time you do some work. Doesn't really matter. Push frequently enough that your collaborator won't get caught editing a paragraph that you already edited 8 hours before and didn't bother pushing. I push frequently. So I'm going to push. And that's it. I believe that's it. Now I have to figure out how to stop this video, which is an interesting challenge because I don't know how to stop the video.